how to change email address in RedNote. In today's quick video, I'll be showing you how to change the email address in RedNote. For this, open the RedNote app. Once you're on your home page, tap on your profile icon, typically located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now open the settings, so gear icon in the top right, here, tap on it. Now navigate to the account settings, tap on account security. From here you can see your email address, but if you have logged in with your mobile device, you will be seeing your mobile number. As I have opened my account with my mobile number, I just got my mobile right here. But if you have opened using your email address, you will be seeing email address right here. Let's say you want to change the email address. Just tap on your email address and enter your new email address from here. Just let's say this is my email address. Just tap on change and just enter your new email address from here, and your new email address will be sent to your inbox for the verification message. Just like if I enter my phone number here, I'll be getting the verification code, and it's the similar process for the email as well. So just do the similar process, and just like that, your email address will be changed successfully. And that's it. If you need the further assistance or you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.